Hi everyone, today I'll be doing another rainbow video because I like rainbows and I like rainbows a lot. But first, well, I kind of wanted to do a thing of Nerdy Bird slow motion video. We use the same video editor, how cool is that? So yeah, here it goes. Be prepared to be amazed. Okay, well, that was a jiffy. I like that a lot. So please comment below. Nerdy Bird, I love your slow motion videos, so that's why I did that. I'm sorry if you don't like that I kind of copied you, but I'm just such a huge fan of that band. And now I'm finally acting myself on camera, but okay, so bye, I guess.